Okay, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class Brain Computer Interface. My name is Wei-Chun Shu, Chunshu Wei. I'm the instructor of this course. So, as there are more students still coming in, I'm gonna share my screen now, but I'll probably wait a couple of minutes. I mean, 1 or 2 more minutes before starting introducing this course. 好，大家好，我是魏群树，资工系的魏群树，然后是这个脑机界面课程的，就是讲者，然后还有一些同学一直在进来，所以我就再等一下下。那我这边先分享荧幕。那今天主要就是会介绍这个课程，然后让大家知道说这个课程会做什么。那有一些认识，然后还有就是先跟大家说我们需要做的一些事情，然后让大家先有一个心理准备。Okay, so with this introduction, I hope everyone here will have uh, a good understanding of how this course will operate, and to have some preparation for this semester. Okay, so let's start. So the description of this course, this is available on the online system. So you probably read this already. So this course will explore the state-of-the-art brain sensing methodology and its application to neuroscience, neurology, and human-machine interactions. Lectures will be given on the relevant topics, including the background to brain function, sensing technology, signal processing, machine learning method, applications of brain-computer interfacing in various domains. So you can see that the topic of BCI covers knowledge across different domains. So I don't think any of us have very well prepared background for all the domains, but including me, we shouldn't expect ourselves to know everything, but we should be able to learn everything. So here in this course, I will give you the basic knowledge of different domains from neuroscience to machine learning to signal processing and so on. And that would be essential. That would be the essential knowledge for you to understand how brain-computer interface works. And meanwhile, this course will emphasize on the hands-on activities. So we'll have implementations, and we will have programming, and we'll have even mathematical problem solving, and we'll have project and competition. So a lot of things requires intensive participation, and you need to devote your time in doing something. So we have TAs to help you through the hands-on activities and experiments and assignment and so on. 好，那这门课呢，就是会介绍就是脑机界面，包括它的一些各种方法，然后最新的技术。那脑机界面这个东西，它涵盖不同领域，然后从神经科学到认知科学到讯号处理到机器学习，然后到甚至人机互动，它其实都有包含。所以那个 包括我在内，我都没有办法，就是在每个领域都受过很好的训练，然后有很好的这个背景知识，所以希望大家的这个心态就是，去不要觉得自己要会所有东西，但是你要有办法去学各种东西，然后你要就是敞开你的心胸去接纳不同领域的一些知识。因为 BCI 它就是会用到这么多不一样领域的知识，然后这堂课会有很多这个工具的使用，那我们有 TA 助教会帮助大家学习这些工具的使用，然后去完成我们的一些作业，我们的一些 project lab， 然后有比赛。好，然后 OK，so the learning objectives are understand the background to conduct research in neuromonitoring and BCI, and understand the literature in the field of BCI. So we will introduce some research tools that's being used in our lab. All our lab members are very familiar with those tools, and that's essential for you to conduct BCI research and implementation. And you will need to read some papers in the field of BCI. So I will introduce the community of BCI research and the related journals and conference where you can find good papers to catch up the trends of BCI research. And understand use engineering approaches in BCI. So this is about being familiar with the tools in the BCI field. And you'll be able to apply tools required for real-time BCI system. So one of the lab is about implementing real-time BCI systems. So you will be able to experience using your mind to control a vehicle and understand the domain and context in which BCIs are effective. So through the lectures, I'll touch upon different basic knowledge, but also I'll talk about how BCI can be applied and what context we should consider when we develop an application of BCI, and understand the open questions and challenges in real-world application of BCI. This is very important for doing research in BCI. There are a lot of open questions and challenges because this is a relatively new field and a lot of questions haven't been answered. So this is to prepare you to have some a mindset to think about how to solve the questions and how to deal with the challenges toward real-world applications. 好，所以我们会介绍就是各种使用脑机界面需要用到的工具，然后另外你也会去读相关的论文 paper， 然后就是会介绍说有哪些期刊或是研讨会上面你可以看到不错的那个 BCI 的论文，然后会找到一些有用的东西可以去用，然后一些工程上的方法，那就是一些我们常用的一些工具，包括一些软体，一些这个像是那个 package 或是 library， 那就是这些跟 BCI 相关的，可以帮助你很快的可以掌握一些方法，然后去做出 BCI。所以我们也会教大家就怎么样去实现一个 real time 的 BCI， 就是可以那个即时运作的，那你就可以即时的用你的大脑去控制一个东西，然后一个车子。对，我们这堂课我们会让大家去组装一台车子，然后用脑机界面去控制它。然后 那另外我们也会，就我们这堂课的那个讲课的部分会介绍不同的一些知识，不同领域一些知识，然后是跟脑机界面相关的。那也会是说，当你在发展，应该说你在使用脑机界面，或是你要研究脑机界面会需要的一些基本的知识。然后也会讲到说，就是脑机界面的设计要考虑哪些要点。那发展一个应用的时候，需要考虑哪些问题跟因素。然后再来就是脑机界面是一个相对新的领域，所以有很多部分很多问题是还没有被解决的，然后也不知道或是我们还不知道还有很多我们不知道的地方，所以必须要有一些就是这堂课也会带大家去感受说，就是怎么样的一些开放式的问题在那边，然后还有一些技术上的挑战，或者是非技术上的挑战，比如说应用上的挑战，那它这个科技对人的一些影响，那有一些都是没有所谓对的答案，那都是一种取舍。对，我们在发展这个技术上有很多是取舍，所以就是要去想怎么样去拿捏这个取舍。Okay, so this is a schedule of this course for this semester. We plan to have 16 weeks of class from today to actually the May 27th. That's the final week according to the campus calendar. And the 16 week would be the Dragon Boat Festival. We'll have no class, so perhaps perhaps you just have to finish your project report or to complete all the assignment and submit it by early June. So so the plan is to have lecture almost every week, from introducing BCI and to some more detailed technical topics, all the way to machine learning, and then we will also touch upon like ethical issues of BCI applications, and we might have an invited talk. We're still contacting some pioneers in this field, and we'll have final competition. So, like I said, we will introduce the literature of BCI. So here we will have a homework. It's actually a homework for each individual. You will do a paper review, and then so there will be two labs. The lab one is mind control vehicle. So we will provide all the technique you need to build a mind control vehicle. So we devote a lot of resource from our lab to this course. We provide the EEG headset to sense your brain waves, and we provide the materials for you to build a car, and the cost is all on us. And so you just have to build a team and to build this vehicle and to follow the instructions of the TA, and you can implement your own mind control vehicle. So that's the group lab one. And then the other homework is EEG data analysis. This is for each individual. You need to work on this on your own individually. And the lab two, the second lab is deep learning for BCI. So recently there are advanced deep learning models that provides very good classification performance for BCI. So that's one of the major topic in BCI research. So you will have the chance to implement your model and to recognize EEG data. And that's very important for BCI because it has to be able to read the brain activity and translate it into meaningful information. So in this lab, you have to, we will provide some models that we've been using in our lab, but you also have to implement a model that's from the literature. Okay. And then we will have the mind control vehicle activity here. So because at the end we will have a final competition that is for, that would be a competition by group. You have to show how well you can control this vehicle with your mind. So we will design a race and see which group can complete this task with your mind control vehicle with the shortest time. So that will be exciting, and that will also take you some time to optimize the algorithm. Optimize the algorithm, perhaps algorithm the whole system integration to boost the performance of your mind control vehicle. So that will be exciting, and we will have some time for you to work together starting from May. You'll have the chance to work together in the classroom. So we hope that starting from the third week, we can have physical class in our classroom, which is in EC 329. And because that would be important for us to do these labs. Otherwise, I mean, in case the pandemic gets worse and we will have to switch to all online, then we will have to modify this schedule. So this is subject to change. But if we will have physical class, then we will go through our course this semester as planned here. Okay, so I'll repeat it in Mandarin. 所以这是这学期的这个课程的排程。对，如果有问题呢，就可以随时把你的问题丢到这个讯息，这个 Google Meet 旁边这个讯息里面，然后我会定期来看。If you have any question, just type your question in the chat box so I can answer accordingly. 好，那我们就是这学期就是每周应该都会有讲课，大部分，然后我们会有一些相对应的就是作业跟 lab。那作业指的就是个人要完成的作业，你要自己完成。那 lab 的话就是会依照分组，那各组就是一起完成。然后我们这个 lecture 的部分呢，就是从基本的 BCI， 然后介绍各个面向，从 neuroscience， 然后到EEG 讯号测量、讯号处理，然后特征截取，然后进到machine learning， 然后也介绍这个 neuromodulation， 然后再来呢就会有时间让你去做一些实作的部分，然后也会谈到就是伦理议题 BCI 应用的伦理议题，然后可能我们会安排一场演讲，那如果我们有邀请到讲者，就是 BCI 相关的讲者可以有一周的演讲。然后这些活动上，那首先就是这个 homework 的部分会有这个 paper review， 然后写一个 paper review 的报告。然后接着是第一个这个分组的 lab， 那这边的话，就是我们会用我们实验室的资源提供给大家，然后我们会提供脑波的量测装置，就是戴在头上去量测你脑波的装置，然后我们会给你那个组装一台车子的材料，然后分组，然后各组就可以开始组装出你自己的车子，然后去完成这个用脑波去控制这台车子这件事情。那这个都是我们实验室提供的。然后呢，接下来这个另外还有一个个人的作业是分析 EEG data。那依照这个我们讲课的内容，然后还有依照我们讲课的内容，还有助教会教你使用一些分析的工具，然后就可以依照这个助教的教学文件去完成。那接下来就会有这个 machine learning 相关的东西。那因为现在这个 deep learning 的技术也在这个脑波的辨识上也是达到就是比传统的方法更好的 performance，所以现在 BCI 里面就是渐渐的就是都转为用 deep learning 的 model 来处理解读大脑活动的部分。所以这边我们会提供我们实验室常用的一些相关的神经网络模型，让大家去实做，然后去做 EEG 资料的分类。那同时也要求就是去从文献里面找一个更好的 model，然后去实现，对，然后来跟我们现有的这些 model 来做比较。好，那这也是一个分组的一个 lab。然后接下来就会进到就是准备 final competition 的部分。那前面有这个 mind control vehicle， 就是你已经建出那台车了，那接下来你要去将里面的一些软体或者是你系统整合的部分把它最佳化。所以脑波帽我们给大家是那个一样的，就是这个量测装置大家是一样，然后车子的材料我们给大家也是一样的。所以在可能组装上或者是这个软体上、演算法上面啊，或者讯号处理上面，你就可以，我们会让各组用各种方式去优化你的这个整个 BCI 的车子，然后我们会设计一个比赛的方式，然后它会是一个任务，要让车子去完成。那只要在最短时间内完成，就是胜出。所以到时候我们最后会有这样子的 competition， 应该会很好玩。好 So there's no textbook for this course, and the grading would be 10% of participation and assignments, including the labs and the homework. And the final competition will take 25%. And it is required for each of you who take this course to finish the pre-course survey. We will use this information for grouping. So based on that would be based on the background and based on the background of each member, and when you build a group, you have to meet some criteria so that we can make sure because we will perform a competition, so we want to make sure that at least for background, each group has the same diversity and similar level of technical background. There's a question. 表单没办法填写。Seriously? Oh, no longer accepting risk. Okay, I think this is the wrong. Sorry, this is the wrong link. I'm changing it now. Give me 1 minute. So the correct link should be on the course system, but I'm moving it here. So this QR code is no longer valid. 好，不好意思，这个 pre-course survey 的 link 这边更新一下，然后我也现在就贴在这里。那个13上面的，好，谢谢叶明。13上面的那个 PDF 我下课再更新，所以请大家就先在这边连一下。好，那这个的 deadline 是2月25，所以还有一些时间。像说需要前线，看一下哈。我看一下哈。好，我处理一下这个权限的部分哦，请稍等。应该很快。如果要很久的话，我就下课后再处理。我们现在大家用这个连接看看。我刚贴了一个连接到 chat box 上面。So I update the pre-course survey link in the chat box. Please test if you can fill the form. Let me know it works. 一样。Okay, so I guess we need more time to fix this. Sorry about that. Okay, so we will update this pre-course in the update PDF file of this course introduction on E3. 好，所以我们下课之后，我们会把更新的这个 course introduction PDF 传到E3上面，然后大家就可以找到这个链接，然后去填这个。然后它是在2月25之前。OK。然后那个对于就是刚接触脑机界面的同学，那如果你想要先用一些时间去准备这个多一点了解脑机界面在干嘛的话，可以看一下这个短片 YouTube 上面的短片。好，然后那同时我也推荐就是你去查这个脑机界面，去 Google。然后你会看到维基百科就有一个脑机界面的页面，然后那个也是很有帮助的，可以从那边开始增加你对脑机界面的了解。那些都是算是蛮容易理解的。然后如果有读过那些的话，那你上课的时候会更快进入状况。这个表单跟可能是同一份，应该是同一份的，对。但是是不是有权限的问题？就是这个刚刚那个表单，是不是有权限的问题？还是说课程纲要上面的那个表单大家都可以填？可以填。当学校的信箱才能，这样很奇怪，我应该没有设这个限制。对啊，所以我们 好吧，那我们就是要再处理一下这部分，对，因为不希望这个表单有这个限制。好，那能填的就先填，那个现在不能填的话，就是我们在之后会提供另一个连结。OK， 然后这边就再继续。好，那个 so the contact information, so this is my email, and the office hour is by appointment. So my office is in the EC building. That's the engineering building 3 in Guangfu campus. So feel free to contact me if you would like to if you have questions or you have something to discuss. And also, you're welcome to reach the TAs if you have questions about your homework, assignments, uh, even the lectures. So they'll be very helpful. All of them have taken this course before, and Eric was also the TA last year. So this is second time he's helping this course. And Alexander and Charlie, they have very good understanding of this course. They both took the course last year. So let me introduce them more. So I also want to take this chance to introduce our lab. Oh, by the way, all the 3 TAs are my graduate students. Okay, so this is our lab website. We are the Cognitive Engineering and Computational Neuroscience Lab. That means the name. Okay. So our lab aims to develop computational and engineering techniques to decode brain states, uncover predictive biomarkers for mental health assessments, and facilitate brain-computer interfaces that enhance human cognitive performance. 所以我们实验室呢，就是叫这个认知工程与计算神经科学实验室。然后我们会发展各种就是运算工程的方法，然后用在解读大脑状态，然后去发展一些可能跟心智健康相关的生物指标，然后还有包括发展这个脑机界面需要的一些技术，然后应用在这个我们一般人类的认知功能的增强上面。然后这是我，那我现在是这个助理教授在资工系，那同时我是生医工程所教育所电机系的合聘助理教授。然后过去的一些经历就是一直都跟脑机界面还有脑波分析有关。Okay, so I'm currently assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science, and I'm also the joint assistant professor in the Institute of Biomedical Engineering, Institute of Education, and Institute of Electrical and Control Engineering. And so here we can find the pictures of our TAs. So in case you ran into them on campus, you can say hello. So this is Eric. Shen Changxian. He's the second year master's student and the second time TA for this course. And we have Charlie here, Zhang Youcheng, and Alexander Fuqicheng here. So they're both, Youcheng is first year master's student, and Alexander is also a second year master's student, and they both Youcheng and Charlie and Alexander both took the course last year, and this is me. So our research of this lab, so one of the major direction is of course the BCI. So this is the course recording from last year. Last year we didn't control a vehicle. Instead we control a drone that's flying in the air using the portable EEG device that measures the brain activity. So what we were doing is that when this student relaxes, the alpha power of his EEG will increase, and that will trigger the takeoff command of this drone. But we think that it might be too dangerous for us to try to raise a drone in the classroom. So instead, we changed to control a vehicle, because that would be more safe when we do the competition. So there are a lot of technical issues in BCI. So the trends in the BCI research includes to improve the monitoring methods, and also to provide some closed loop feedback, and also to improve the decoding models, and also to find the direction of applications. And we're also developing some tools for neuroscience. We leverage the AI model that's explainable for us to find the features in EEG data automatically. And meanwhile, we're developing some technique for clinical use. We want to apply EEG to the TMS depression therapy, so that we can track the personal traits of each patient and alternate the TMS stimulation accordingly to improve the outcome. 所以这边简单介绍一下，就是我们的一些相关研究。那首先这个是去年的 BCI 课程的录影，那我们就是有用这个脑波装置去控制这个无人机。那但是今年我们要做这个比赛，那我们觉得在教室里面去比赛无人机飞行有点危险，所以我们就改成用车子，那在地上跑就比较安全一点。然后 BCI 有很多应用上的一些挑战，那我们实验室就是会发展相关的技术，试图去突破。那包括就是更好的量测方式，然后包括这个闭回路的这些回馈，然后包括更好的这个解读的模型，然后以及发展一些有前景的应用方向。然后我们同时也发展了，就是利用这个人工智慧模型。那现在这个可解释性的人工模型对于这个应用端是很重要的。那你怎么样可以去掌握模型从资料上学到什么？这个是很关键的。那我们利用这个东西，将这个模型应用在这个神经科学研究上，所以我们这个模型可以自动的从这个脑波资料里面去学习重要的特征，然后将它呈现出来，然后以这个可以理解的方式去读到这个资料里面的重要的特征，加速这个研究的进展。那另外我们也发展一些这个精准的神经调制的技术，那就是利用这个在这个 TMS 的这个忧郁症治疗中，那 TMS 是一个经颅磁刺激，它是用这个强磁场去改善这个忧郁症大脑的一个活动状态。那我们利用 EEG 去掌握这个病患个人当下的状态，然后去调整这个 TMS， 然后来达到更好的疗效。好，那讲了那么多，就是如果有同学有兴趣要来我们实验室做研究的话，就欢迎来联络我们，不管是大学生或者研究生要做专题或者是研究指导，那都可以来讨论。 看看你的方向是不是符合我们实验室，然后我们实验室可以帮助你的研究。Okay, so thank you for the chance for me to promote our lab. So let me get back to the course introduction. So I get okay. So again, this is a pre-course survey. We will have to update the link after the class. Sorry about that. And before we go to the enrollment waitlist, I like to do a roll call today because it is required to attend the first meeting if you want to take this course. So I need to check if everyone's here. So please turn on your microphone and camera so I can see you when I call your name. 当我点到你的时候，请你打开麦克风，然后还有打开你的摄影机，然后让我知道你在这里。OK，那我这边要先把荧幕关掉，这样我才看得到大家。OK，停止分享。我之前试过，就是大家都把麦克风打开，然后就发现那个讲话跟举手我要找很久，所以这次就是点到再打开，然后再出声。好，那我们就开始。Okay, so I start the roll call. When I call your name, please turn on your camera and microphone and say hi or here, so that I know you're a real person behind the camera. Okay, Liu Junyi.
Hi, hello.
Okay, thanks. 张富婷。
Hi. Hey.
Okay, thanks. 刘怡婷。
Hi.
Okay. 梁佩琪。
Hi. Sorry, I don't have camera on my computer.
Okay. 王应杰。王应杰。Is Wang Yingjie there? Okay. Okay, next, 罗之谦。罗之谦。罗之谦。涂少奇。涂少奇。Is 涂少奇 there? 李廷义。
Hi.
Hi. 林怡云。
Hi.
林怡云。
Hi.
Okay. Okay, I hear you. 王玉兴。
Hi.
Okay. 尤若文。
Hi.
尤若文。
Hi.
OK。陈喜安。
Hi.
Hello. 田竹影。
嗨，
OK， 陈芷玲。
嗨，
OK， Hi。李慕辰。
不好意思，
嗨，李慕辰。OK， 李慕婷。
嗨，
Hello。施梦婷。
嗨，
OK。林央成。
嗨
Hello。
，Hello，
黄晨。
Hello，
Hello。陈品化。Hi。And 克缇娜。Christina。
Yes, hi, Professor.
Hello。And 潘阮明草。
Hi, Professor.
Hello。And 金空刀。
Hi.
Hello. So correct me if I pronounce the name wrong. 如果我名字念错，可以直接纠正我，才知道怎么念。谢谢。施佑维。
嗨，
嗨。周金伦。
Here，
嗨。吕学景。
嗨，
嗨。张立仁。
Hi, teacher.
嗨。管彦明。嗨。
Hi.
嗨。吴玉桥。
Hi.
刚是吴玉桥吗
Yes.
？OK。潘岳婷。潘岳婷。
Hi.
OK。
6月就暑假。
陈松瑜。
老师好。
嗨。陈柏勋。
Hi.
Hello。于，等一下，于子琪。
嗨，
嗨。刘梦学。刘梦学。嗨。杨志乔。I see your message. OK， 邱载峰。邱载峰。邱载峰。Okay, so that summarizes the roll call today. So I didn't hear or see 4 of the members here. Okay, Tusali, could you turn on your microphone and camera?
Hello.
Hello, hi. 好 ，OK， 所以更新一下。Let me update the not here list. Okay, so this concludes the course introduction today. You are free to build out the enrollment waitlist form if you're not registered yet. And we do not guarantee that you'll be added into the course, but we will based on the order of the waitlist response. I mean, it's not totally based on the time, but since we also need to consider the status of each student, because according to the rules we need to follow, that's ordered by the department and grade. So we will follow the rule. And if there are two students that has the same like department and year, then we can use the response time to decide the order. Okay, is there any other questions for this course? Then I'll see you next week online as well, and we will update the course information slides on E3 soon. So please stay tuned. I'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye.
谢谢老师，拜拜。